I'm Stav Zilbershtein, CEO of Hyperion Tech. We are a company based in Malta that do outstaffing IT services for iGaming, FinTech, and fast-growing companies. We are at the Nordic Affiliate Conference, very special event for the iGaming industry where affiliates and operators meet to talk about the latest evolvement in regulation and technologies. We had an amazing panel about leveraging on regional tech operations, and we talked a lot about innovation in the field, how the rise of brokers is going to change everything and force operators to innovate and start investing in technology. The Nordic market is entering a very interesting period because new regulations make it a bit harder for operators to just sit and do nothing, kind of wait for the affiliates to hand them the traffic. The new regulations put more restrictions and they have to be more creative now to make an effort to stay relevant in the market. What we see is that the operators are not developing enough their technology and their product, and this is probably due to a lack of resources or a lack of interest or both. This is why scaling up is something that is deeply needed, especially in product and the IT sphere. The rise of brokers is showing that they can capture the users and users' attention, give them a much better product experience, and this turns operators into some kind of a utility provider and makes them less relevant. So someone is going to have to pick up the glove in order to stay in the game. We specialize in setting up dedicated IT teams, especially for these companies that require fast growth and product and aggressive product development. That's exactly what Hyperion does. We build dedicated teams of software engineers in Kharkiv in Ukraine, where we place the best people and talents to work dedicatedly only for these companies. We already see amazing results in this niche. Hyperion is good for iGaming because we can bring in a place where human resources are scarce, influx of talents that can quickly scale and start working on your products. Not only that the teams are only dedicated, we put an effort on culture and organizational culture and the well-being and creativity of the people we hire. So we see people that really innovate and push forward, sometimes get deeply involved with their clients and their projects. They have a feeling of mission and that they're a part of the project. And this really makes a difference between hiring some IT people to get things done with no proactiveness and Hyperion, where the team really becomes an extension of your own organization. We see there is a rising pressure between the lack of communication between operators and affiliates. This is why brokers are starting to appear that manage their own wallets and allow players to bet directly on their website and use the bookmaker only for a transactional side. So the bookmaker loses its value as a brand. This will push operators to have to try harder and develop their products to provide more value to their users. Artificial intelligence is being used mainly to track pattern recognition for responsible gambling and to stop people in time when they escalate their behavior, but it's going to take many more parts in content discovery, example that can segment the client and see exactly what games he is more likely to play and increase his lifetime. So we're going to see a lot more usage of AI. But there is also a lack of talents that can set up the missions for AI and AI analysts. And this is something that Hyperion is also getting involved in, especially for this market, to help companies utilize AI. I think iGaming is in deep need of resources, and the pressure of upcoming development in the market in the upcoming years will definitely push more to scale up their R&D, without a doubt.